Hi, thank you for visiting MarineMax website. I am going to present you a 2019 55 Azimut Flybridge. This particular model has a very large hydraulic swing platform. You can put like an 11-foot dinghy here. It has access to a captain quarters that has its own air conditioning and a toilet. So you can use this area as a day head, when people is swimming in and out of the water. It's very secure, very strong hardware everywhere. It has an electric power core that you move by switches. It has winches, so you can dock the boat a lot easier. A lot of sealing, and notice the quality of the materials. Marble, teak, very soft materials on the sealing areas, thick floors, a lot of sunshade with a lot of light for nighttime. And notice how beautiful the cabin opens up into the cockpit. This panel is an electric panel that comes down and a full door that folds. Come on in. Look at the beautiful finish and the contours and the materials on this boat. That's what makes an Azimut. Beautiful furniture, the woodwork is excellent. A lot of improvements. Now we changed the panels to something more accessible to the owner. Ice maker, panels, all the electronic devices, direct TV, Bose stereo system. The boat comes already with all the china and all the glasses and all the utensils. Beautiful lighting. The galley is in the back. That makes it very nice because now people doesn't have to walk all the way through the boat dripping salt water, and now you can service them here. It does have a very large refrigerator and freezer. Refrigerator, nice, beautiful door. A lot of storage everywhere. A lot of panelings, beautiful finish everywhere. More storage all around here. Convention oven, garbage chute, stainless steel sink, garbage chute, more storage. Look at the woodwork, beautiful finish on this boat. A couple of steps, and you are in the big salon area. Big table, you can entertain a lot of people. Beautiful materials, beautiful hardware, a lot of light. Right now we got the shades installed, so not a lot of light comes in, but it will make the air conditioning more efficient. Opening window for the captain so he can look outside, give orders. Additional co-pilot seating, beautiful materials, everything is electric. Full electronic package downstairs and upstairs, joysticks, and separate control for thrusters. So full control of the boat. The boat is also equipped with a seakeeper, so your wife will be very happy with it. Going down into the cabins, very wide access. Let me start with the VIP. Very big beds, a lot of space, very flat in the front, no more pointy bolts. Big closets, a lot of storage, comes with all the dressing for the beds. Another 2 closets here. Very comfortable, safe, Bose stereo system, TV. This is a double bed for the kids, and big large closet. This head will service the forward and this area, same as the salon. Comes with a separate shower. Beautiful materials everywhere, very comfortable. Now they come with big showers. This is the access to the master. It does have a washer and dryer combination. Look at the beautiful materials on the woodwork. Come on in, and there is a full head in there only for the master. Notice the separate shower. Sorry, I forgot to turn on the light, but yeah, you can see. Look at the furniture, the quality of the materials, the curves on the wood, very deep storage compartments, closets, very deep access panels for servicing the boat. The bed is in an angle, so it does give you a lot of space to walk around, very square, big windows, so you can see on the outside the water line is very close to it. The TV is behind that panel. That's very beautiful, very elegant. Another hanging locker. Access to the electronics. storage under the beds, beautiful materials, carpet, the finish, the materials, the contours. Let's go upstairs. Very easy boat to get around. Wherever there are steps, there are handles. It comes with side doors, very high rails from the beginning, full thick steps all the way to the front, full thick everywhere. The steps going up to the bridge. Comes with the barbecue, a sink, and a refrigerator. Nice mirror, nice counter serving area. He also has full electronics and full controls up here, including the seatkeeper, so he does have the seatkeeper. This is a big lounging area. Look at the beautiful big tables, big seating area. The quality of the materials is excellent. And the new models come with furniture in the back. So you can enjoy the sun. You can put an additional top if you want, but same materials as down below, marble, very high cloth designs. And there is a manual sunroof. And if you look in the front from here, you can see the beautiful laying down areas, sunbathing. Comes with a bimini top up front, remote spotlight, high rails, everything that is for conveniences and enjoyment. Please come and visit us. We have plenty of boats in stock. Manny Medina, MarineMax Miami, 305-775-1310. Thank you.